Hello everyone, 777 angelic number. What does 777 angelic number mean in your life and how to use it? Okay, that's what we're going to be talking about today. It is no coincidence that you see 777. Maybe in your dream, maybe you just see it on a billboard. Maybe you just see it on a currency note. Maybe you just see it in a novel. Maybe you just see it in a book that you read. Maybe you just see it anywhere. If you keep seeing 777 angelic number, it means your spirit guide are trying to contact you for something. It means they're trying to pass to you a prophetic message. It means they want to give you a spiritual message that will definitely change your life for good. So what does seeing 777 angelic number mean in your life? You know, in life we go through a lot. We have a lot of worries. We have a lot of fears. You know, sometimes you want to start a business. Maybe you want to go to school. Maybe you want to embark on a journey. You know, there are so many things that we do on a daily basis. There are so many decisions that we take. So sometimes we get so confused. We don't even know. Maybe we should even do this. Maybe we will even do that. We are not sure. We are confused. And I'm sure this has happened to you too. It has happened to you many times. Maybe it's even happening to you right now. But when you keep seeing 777 angelic number, it means it's trying to tell you that you are on the right path, that you should go right ahead and do what you want to do, that you should go right ahead and follow your mind. You should go right ahead and follow your heart. You know, follow your gut and follow your intuition. You know, so many times we see these numbers, but we don't really know what it means, or we are confused. A lot of people even think, okay, what are you trying to do? Is that magic? Is that diabolic? Is that a diabolic? Is that a magic? Is that, you know, people keep having all kind of questions about these things, but don't get it confused. 777 is an angelic number that have a very powerful spiritual meaning in your life. And if you know how to use this properly, your life is going to change forever. It's going to change so fast. So how do you use 777 angelic number? I'm sure by now you're familiar with bay leaf. Okay? You can write any, just write 777 on bay leaf. Okay? 777 on bay leaf like this. And on the back of it, you write any amount of money that you want. And don't be greedy. You know the universe knows what you really need. Okay? It actually knows. Don't be too greedy. Don't put greed into this. Just write any amount of money that you think you need right now. If it is $20,000, write $20,000 like that on the back. Remember, you write 777 on the front, and you write the amount of money that you want on the back. In this case, I wrote $20,000. So, and all you have to do is just put my intention on this. Put my prayers on this. Which means I have to make my intentions that I want to use this to manifest $20,000. I want to use this to manifest love. I want to use this to manifest money. Anything at all that you want to attract. Just make your prayers, make your intention, and keep this in your purse. If you don't have a purse, keep it in your bag. If you don't have a bag, keep it in your pocket. and make sure it is with you every single time. Whether you are at home, whether you are at work, take it with you. 77 angelic number, what it means in your life and how to use this. So when you carry this with you, you will be surprised how the universe will surprise you with big money. Whether you're playing lottery, whether you are into business, whether you at a job, whatever it is that you do, you will see that it will attract big money into your life. It will attract big contract into your life. It will attract all your heart desires. Okay, it doesn't really matter what the problem is. It doesn't really matter what problem you are going through right now. We all go through problems. We are going through issues. But it all depends on how we approach our problems. Some people are able to cope with their problems. They know exactly what to do to solve these problems. And that's exactly why I'm teaching you this right now, so that you know what 777 angelic number means in your life and how you can use it. Okay? One way to use it is to use it to attract money into your life. You can use it to attract love into your life. You can use it to attract money into your life. If you want to use it to attract money, you want it to attract love, you want it to attract or any other desire that you want, just write it on a bay leaf. And if you don't have a bay leaf, write it on a piece of paper. Okay? Write whatever it is. If it is something that you are confused about, you are not sure, okay, and you want to have a prophetic, dream about it, just write it down. Okay? Write it down. Or let's say you are having a bad dream and you just want to remove that bad dreams from your life so that you can live a normal life. Write it down. If you want to wake up with positive dream, write it down. If you want to wake up full of energy and refreshed every single time, write it down. If you want to stop nightmares, write it down. Okay, this works so perfectly. Just write 777 angelic number. Write it on a paper or on bay leaf and write whatever it is that you want to manifest on the back. Maybe it is love, maybe it is prosperity, maybe it is favor, maybe it is money, maybe it is relationship, maybe it is it's a husband, maybe it is a good wife. Whatever it is, write it down and just keep this under your pillow, okay, or keep it in your purse, or you keep it in your bag. You'll be shocked how all your heart desires will come to pass fast. Okay? 77 angelic number meaning in your life and how to use it. So there you have it. Go right ahead and try this and come back with your testimony. Okay? I want you to talk to me. Let me know how you're doing with these things, how these things are working in your life. Share your testimony and share this video with your friends and family. Like this video, comment under this video, okay? And if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe now to my channel for more videos. You know I love you so much and I'm sure you love me too. For more spiritual videos to help your life, watch these videos over there. They must definitely help your life. You know I love you so much. Alright, I'll talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.